Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores, and I'm getting ready to make hands down my all-time favorite side dish, Mexican street corn, also known as elotes. I'm not sure there's a recipe out there that is more flavorful and easier to do than Mexican street corn. It is hands down a favorite every time I make it when I cook it up on the barbecue and have folks over. Let's get started by putting our corn unshucked onto a hot grill. When you leave the corn unshucked, it steams and cooks the corn, making it incredibly tender. So when you put it on the grill, lay it right down on those grates. You want the grill to be in between 450 and 550 degrees. It's gonna cook for a total of 20 to 25 minutes. After about 12 or so minutes, we're simply just gonna flip it onto the other side, let it finish cooking. You're gonna notice when they are done, they're gonna be sort of a nice light golden brown on the outside leaves. This is absolutely perfect. What we're gonna do is simply take all of the corn off of the grill. We're gonna bring it back inside, and what we wanna do at this point is let it cool down a little bit before we shuck it, because it's gonna be super, super hot. It's gonna burn your hands. This is great timing though, because we can get started on our sauce. In a medium-sized bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some mayonnaise. Next, we want to hit it with some sour cream. If you've got Mexican crema, even better, it's a little bit tangier. What we want to do now is add in some finely minced garlic, zest up one lime, and then using that same lime, go ahead and squeeze the juice right into that mixture. We're going to season it with salt, a little bit of pepper. Go ahead and mix it until it is completely combined. It should be nice and smooth. We're gonna set it to the side. Now go back to your corn. It should be nice and cooled down where you can touch the leaves, no problem. It's not gonna burn your hands or anything. What you wanna do is shuck the corn, but do not rip off the leaves. Leave them intact. Pull the corn husks just down to the bottom, still intact, because this is how we're gonna eat our corn. Let me show you how to do this. Set it to the side, use some butcher's twine or just any sort of little thin rope that you may have. What you wanna do is just tie a knot over the shucked husk. Boom, look how you lift it up. It's like your own little corn on a stick, but you get to use the husk. Super fun, really easy to do. Now to dress up the Mexican street corn, using a pastry brush or even a spoon, brush the corn on all sides with that delicious mayonnaise Mexican crema mixture. And now what you want to do is lightly sprinkle on some chili powder, or if you have some chipotle chili powder or even a blended chili powder, this is great to use here. We're next going to sprinkle on generously some crumbled cotija cheese. You could absolutely use queso fresco, or in a hurry, some grated Parmesan cheese. Last but not least, hit it with some finely chopped fresh cilantro. Boom, so dang tasty. Let's for sure try this out. This is such a great, fun recipe to cook up in May and all throughout the summer. If you want to save a few minutes, you know that mayonnaise Mexican crema mixture, go ahead and add in the chili powder, cotija cheese, and cilantro right in there, mix it up, and then brush the corn. Boom, you're finished. I sort of like the way it looks when I sprinkle on everything at the end. Totally up to you. Be sure to get all of these great ingredients from your favorite Heinen's grocery stores, and don't forget to go to heinens.com. We are loaded with recipe videos. Well, I can't wait to eat this any longer. Be sure to hook it up at your next barbecue. You're gonna love it. We'll see you later.